Good day, everyone. I am Prophet Courage, and I'll be presenting on Arduino Uno or a, my PCB design, yeah, which is Arduino Uno. So first of all, you launch the Kicad application. So this menu will pop out. Then you look for your. Okay, for me, I'm done with the work, so I'll just launch my schematic diagram. So here's my schematic drawing. So someone will ask how I came about this work. So first of all, a schematic drawing will be given to you. So you will look on it, and from this schematic view, we have the title bar and the right hand sided bar here. So you move to the right hand side, click on place symbols. So when you click on it, like whatever symbol like you want to do with, you search for the name. And mind you, some don't come with the names. So you have to know their numbers. For an amplifier like this, it comes in different form. So the specific one that you want, you search for it. That is LMV358. So you search for it. So here is my component. So after this, I came to connect them using draw the draw wire by moving it to each component. So as I click, I will draw. So let's take, for example, let me select a component, LMV35, and we will go to OK, as it has doubled. So you will come to the draw wire, then match them, the component, as normal matching, as we did. So when you want to stop, you right click, come to finish to end the point. Yeah, so these are I came about a whole schematic drawing. So after this, I continued to check my my schematic drawing, which is the by using the electrical rule checkers. So you click on it, and a pop menu will appear or display. So you run the ERC. For me, since I'm already done with the work, I corrected all the errors and the warnings. Yeah. So I will just close it. So now, like I have to take this to the PCB editor. So you move to tools, update PCB to schematic from schematic. Then you wait a minute for it to load. So as it has displayed, for me, I've already done it, so no need for me to update the PCB again. I can just close it. But if you are new, you will just come and update your PCB for you to create your own PCB design. So for me, I'll close, and this is my PCB design, neatly wired or routed. Yeah. So from now, I'll show you the 3D view. You move to view 3D viewer, and it displays. This is my 3D view. As you can see, neatly designed. Yeah, all components needed are found. And this Arduino Uno. Yeah. All right. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.